Oh, a little stale.
Oh, hey guys, welcome to day 1 of the cruise. We just hopped on the ship, and I'm about to have my first meal. This is all free. Well, not really. We paid for it with our ticket. Have a bite. What you got there?
Drink cookie and cream.
Was it free?
Yes.
We also get free ice cream, so I'm gonna go get that. Hi! 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 What's your name? I'm here with my best friend.
Your best friend?
We're gonna go get a free ice cream together. Aren't you excited?
Can we just get ice cream?
Guys, look at my fit. Wait, can you hold the camera so I can do my fit check? Alright guys, come on. Let's go get our ice cream. Look what I got, guys. We bagged the goods. Alright, mission success. Oh, are you gonna do that? I will not. Are you really gonna do that?
No.
Okay, ow!
Making sure I don't lose you.
We're just exploring. Okay, I think we should look for the teenager hangout and not go inside, but only look at it.
Why?
Because I don't want to meet people. There's gonna be a bunch of teenagers in there.
We are teenagers.
Oh, are you gonna do the slide?
Probably not.
Probably not. Do you wanna play?
What?
Do you wanna play?
Probably what? It?
Yeah.
Later, maybe.
Alright.
You want to do it now?
No, it's okay.
Later? Sure.
Alright, later.
Huh?
Later. Where the freak are we going?
You're telling me I'm following you.
I didn't bring us here.
Hey, you did.
No, I didn't.
You did. Gotta make sure there's like no invisible
What is
cat.
wrong with you?
Huh?
Oh, where are we?
What? Right here. Oh, not there. Okay, so we went the wrong way.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's look at the map. Bro, it says it's that way. It's going to the living room. Okay, we're going down. Oh my gosh, I think we found it. Is that it right there? No, that's the bathroom. Okay, never mind, that's the bathroom. Wait. It says that the living room is upstairs. Oh my gosh, we've gone up and down this freaking stair. Okay, where? Oh wait. Hey, come here. Look, there's a sign.
What?
There's a sign that says the living room is over here.
I don't think this is the living room.
Oh, it's downstairs. It's right there. There's a sign. We made it. Excuse me. Let's look around. Get up. Bro, we have to explore. What is that, the Scooby machine? Look. You can play some games. Do you want to play some PlayStation? They don't have Minecraft. Do you want to play a board game? Oh, what's going on? What is this? Oh. Animal trivia?
No.
Music trivia?
No.
British quiz?
What?
We're gonna do the British quiz.
No. Oh, look.
Finding Nemo. Finding Nemo trivia. What kind of home does Nemo live in?
Ocean.
No.
The ocean.
The plant.
Oh, I don't know what that plant is. I just know he lived in the ocean.
What is Bugs Bunny's favorite food?
Bug Bunny favorite food? A carrot.
Yes.
Who teamed up with Keisha on the 2013 hit Crazy Kids?
I don't know.
Will I Am.
I was never gonna know that.
What is the name of Eminem's sinister alter ego?
I don't know. Skittles?
No, I'm Slim Shady. Yes, I'm the real Shady. Yes, that's one of you. Who had the 2012 hit with Diamond?
Rihanna.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, I see. So it's a question. Okay, I get it.
We're gonna start with episode 2.
Huh?
Attack of the Clones. Whose DNA were the clones made from?
Jango Fett.
Wow. Do you watch Star Wars?
Yeah.
What is the name of the planet that the clones were made on?
What?
The name of the planet that the clones were made on.
See, I forgot that one. I know they were made in like some sort of planet full of like water and stuff. But I forgot what this. Huh? A K? Camino?
Yeah. How does Obi-Wan kill General Grievous?
How did Obi-Wan kill General Grievous? I forgot how he died. Hint?
He uses a weapon.
Oh, what, lightsaber?
No, it's a weapon that is real in real life. I think.
A gun?
I think. Maybe not.
Me in real life? Like a gun?
Wait, maybe not though.
A blaster?
I thought it was a gun, but it's probably like a...
A blaster?
Yeah. It doesn't say the weapon, it just says he was shot.
No, he just got shot with a blaster, okay.
I was thinking like a Glock or something. What does Padme name her 2 children before she dies?
Luke and Leia.
Princess Leia?
Leia.
But is she the princess?
Yeah.
Oh, I know her too.
Yeah, Princess Leia. She becomes a princess later.
Wow. How does... Wait. They're siblings?
Yeah. Yeah, they kissed, buddy. That's why everyone was like, make fun of it. They kissed.
What
And
the
they're-
heck?
Yeah, they're siblings.
Why'd they kiss?
Because they didn't know that.
Oh. Hey guys, here's my outfit for dinner.
What the dog doing?
I got these new earrings. They're fake. And I'm pretty sure I'm allergic to fake earrings, so hopefully I don't have an allergic reaction at dinner. But I mean, they look too good. Like, come on. Hello everybody. Our starters just arrived.
Yeah.
We're gonna try the escargot first.
Yes. Bon appetit. And
It's good.
yeah. What does it taste like?
It just tastes really garlicky.
Yeah.
Really buttery.
Yep.
I like the chew. Oh,
Picture.
do you like it?
It's actually not bad. People think that it's like disgusting because of the thought of it, but it's actually like flavorful.
Yeah. I'm gonna try my tomato soup. I have so many spoons to choose from. I'm gonna use this one.
Yeah.
It's alright.
Yes. Yes.
Hold on.
No, take it. No, take it. You got this. You got this.
It's really good. It's really good. It has a great flavor to it. Something good. It's crunchy in there. It's crunchy.
All right, the main courses just arrived. I got a steak. Benji, what did you get?
What?
What'd you get?
Oh, prime rib. Wow, that's good.
I got the steak, the New York strip steak.
And how did you get it done?
Medium rare. Yeah,
Yum.
I like it a little bloody, a little bit alive.
There you go. Look at that. That is medium rare.
Going in. Cheers.
Cheers.
I like it.
How's the texture? 10 out of 10.
It's a good cook.
Yes.
I've had better,
Oh.
but like,
Okay.
I love my steak, you know.
Good.
I prefer a cut with less fat on it.
So, less fat. Don't be
Yeah.
lazy. Cut the fat. Get the fat out. We don't want that. I got the prime rib.
Oh.
Yes. Glazed and it's like sauce. Let me do one more. I need one more.
All right.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Wow.
It's actually not bad. They have it tender. It's very tender. It melts in your mouth. It's very succulent. It melts in your mouth, and it's just like you want more.
Oh my god, that you think it's like melting?
I know. I don't know why we haven't. We've been busy.
It kind of tastes like it's melting,
I'm gonna do the 16 days.
but it's good. We're about to watch a show.
About ballerina dancing.
We're about to watch some ballroom dancing. That'll be exciting. After dinner, we went and took some pictures. So here they are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, now we're gonna watch a little show. I want water, please. Mommy. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2. I just got some breakfast at the buffet. Here's a little picture. And now we're at the pool. I think we're just gonna be here all day. Hey guys, we got our second ice creams of the trip. We just went in the pool and it was freezing. So then we went into the hot tub and that was better. I'm really liking this unlimited soft serve thing. I'm gonna keep a counter of how many soft serves I have during this whole trip. Hey guys, I just went on the water slide. It was super fun, but now I'm gonna do a little fit check for you guys. The whole family is wearing a neon today. My dad just signed up for a belly flop competition, so let's go see how he does.
Up next, a little bit heavier, weighing 204 pounds from California. Make some noise for Joshua! Let's count it down from 3! Alright, let's look at the actual replay. Here we go. Right, we are up. It's like a pencil. That's clean. That is clean.
This place offers free pizza until 3 in the morning. Pretty great. I also had my third ice cream of the trip.
Much later.
Hello, welcome to dinner. We're at the same place as yesterday, but every night they change their menu. So today it's Italian. I got beef carpaccio. Potatoes? No, I don't want to buy it. You know, this would be good with some bread. I actually do want the bread. Thank you.
Green.
The steakhouse. Oh my god, they're gonna eat. You're gonna eat again?
Yes.
Go to the steakhouse.
Wait, who's going to the steakhouse? I want to go to the steakhouse. Ooh, mommy, can I try your steak? This is mine? Oh my gosh! My mom gave me her whole filet mignon. Here we go.
Dumb, bro. I'm blasphemy.
I love this steak. All right, dessert is here. I got a tiramisu. Cheers!
What's the coffee?
Let me try your coffee. Definitely interesting. I think I'll stick to my tiramisu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to everyone. Happy birthday, dear Bernadette. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, we're at a silent disco.
What the dog doing?
With somebody to love with you. Oh, and I say, Romeo, take me. Oh my gosh. You're the princess, it's a love story. Baby, just say yes.
Later.
Alright, while we were gone, the cleaners came and they should have left an animal-shaped towel. Oh, we got an elephant! Oh, they cleaned all my clothes that were laid all over the couch. When I left my room, I had my suitcase all in the middle. I had clothes all over the couch. Oh, and they put all my stuff up on the shelf. Wow. Hey guys, I'm on a little solo journey tonight. I went downstairs to get some ice cream, and then I passed by this bar, and this guy was singing, so now I'm sat at this little table all by myself, and I'm gonna eat my ice cream. After this, I might get some free pizza, and then maybe head back to my room. I only ordered one slice, but she gave me two. That's fine. I thought that I'd be really embarrassed to be down here by myself. It's actually really nice. Almost a little therapeutic. I feel really calm and peaceful. And like, I can just walk around, explore, and do anything. There's nothing wrong with being alone. We've just landed in Catalina Island. We're finally on land for the first time in 3 days. Guys, look at my outfit. I look so good. Wait, can you record my outfit for me? Nutella, hazelnut. Vlogging in the making. Benji holding the bag. Hey guys, welcome back. We're back on the cruise ship and I got myself another ice cream. I passed by a bunch of little clothing shops in Catalina Island and oh my gosh, the clothes were so cute but so expensive. I'm gonna finish this. Maybe get another one. I don't know. If we're feeling crazy. I don't know. We'll see. Welcome to dinner. The theme for tonight's food is, I think, Mexican. Eat your crouton.
Huh?
Eat your crouton.
I am.
Let's hear that crunch. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Alright, big bite.
How's it taste?
Pretty good. How's your steak? Or your carne asada?
Exquisite, aromatic.
I switched meals with my dad. Now I have the carne asada. I should have just ordered this from the start. I'm always gonna want the beef.
Oh, you like the beef?
I'm like full already.
Well, you ate one. It's okay, you're saving room for pizza later.
But I had a buffet and like 3
Oh,
slices
yeah.
of pizza.
You went back home to eat. Okay. Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Oh yeah.
What'd you have?
Corned beef with rice. French toast and a cereal.
I had corned beef with,
Yeah, I know there's corned beef.
and I put some cabbage on it.
Okay.
Oh, oh, oh. Oh my god.
Where did you? It's gonna be on his iPad.
It's alright.
Oh, thank God.
Welcome back to the room. I just spent half an hour at that bar where that guy was singing and playing guitar. I stayed all night until he played his last song and now he's gone, so I left. I've been enjoying these little moments that I get to spend by myself at night. It's kind of fun to just explore and be all on your own with nothing to keep you entertained but your own thoughts. Curfew for everyone under 18 is 1 a.m. and I stayed out until 12:30, so I'd call that a success. Although I do have 30 minutes to spare, so I could go down and get a slice of pizza and bring it up to the room. Should I? I'll think about it. No, I'm not gonna do that because I just walked up all the stairs from the 5th floor to the 12th floor, and if I want to go down and get pizza, I have to walk all the way back down to the 5th floor and then back up to the... I'm just gonna get ready for bed and then go to bed. But I'll see you guys tomorrow when we're in Mexico. Hey guys, we're in Mexico.
Oh, hi.
Tell me something in Spanish.
Hola.
What does that mean?
I don't know, I forgot.
Hey, how's your taco?
What? Pretty good.
This is good. Hey guys, I'm back from Ensenada. I got myself an ice cream and some lunch. You can't even see it. I'm just chilling by the pool all by myself. It's kind of fun, I guess. Okay, I'm gonna eat my lunch and then get another ice cream and then probably go back to the room.
What the dog doing?
Hey guys, welcome to our last dinner here at the cruise. Benji and I got the Asian pork buns for our starter. It's pretty good.
The pasta. And then the eggplant and the pork chops.
I should have gotten the steak.
Later.
I got my steak. I've learned my lesson. From now on, the answer is always steak.
I like.
This is what I needed. Oh, hello. Hey.
That's all, folks.